In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple projects in CapCut PC quickly and easily. If your CapCut home screen is cluttered with old drafts, unfinished edits, or projects you no longer need, this is the fastest way to clean things up without deleting them, one by one. This is a simple time-saving tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to select multiple projects and remove them in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut desktop application on your computer. Once it loads, make sure you stay on the home dashboard screen. This is the main area where CapCut shows all of your saved projects, recent edits, and drafts. You do not need to open a project to delete it. Everything starts right here on the home page. Next, navigate to your projects listing. You should see a grid or list of project thumbnails, depending on how your CapCut interface is arranged. These are the projects saved inside your account or on your device. Now, to delete multiple projects, you need to select the ones you want to remove first. You can do this by dragging to select the projects you want to delete. Click and hold, then drag across the project thumbnails so the ones you want are highlighted. As you select them, you may also see selection circles appear on the thumbnails. If there are more projects you want to remove, simply check the selection circles on the thumbnails one by one until you've selected everything you need. If you want to delete every project at once, there is an even faster option. Press the blue project icon to select all projects instantly. This is the easiest method when you want to clear out your entire project list in one step instead of manually selecting each item. Once your projects are selected, look at the bottom of the window. You should see the delete or trash button there. Click that button to begin the removal process. CapCut will then ask for confirmation before it moves the projects to the trash. When the confirmation prompt appears, click OK to confirm. This final step is important because it tells CapCut that you really want to remove the selected projects. After that, the projects will be moved to the trash and removed from your main projects listing. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete multiple projects in CapCut PC using selection circles, drag selection, or the select all option. This is a great way to organize your workspace, keep your dashboard clean, and make it easier to find the projects you actually want to work on. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips, PC editing tutorials, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.